Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create and export a professional presentation in Canva. In this video, I will walk you through the process step by step so that you can create your own presentation quickly and professionally. So to get started, what you want to do is you want to open up your web browser, here, and then you want to go down and go to Canva Visual Suite for everyone. Don't click on this one because for some reason this one causes issues. So just go down below and click on this one right here. So once you load in, usually what happens when you first load into Canva, it will ask you for a login. For me, my Google account is already connected to the login, so it automatically gets me into the application. But if you don't have a Google login, just go ahead and just click the login button and add your Google account in there, and then after that it should bring you to this page right here. If you are new, click the sign up button and follow the prompts to create a free account, so that way you don't have to pay for anything. Now once you're in the home page, you want to click the search bar right here, and when you do that, just type in presentation. And once you type in presentation, it should give you these templates. You have a variety of templates to browse, so you can just go through. They have some for school, businesses, personal projects. Just take a moment to browse the available options and choose a template that best fits your needs. Now, once you find a template that you can use that is free, of course, you can just grab one, and then once you click it, it'll take you to the page where you're able to customize this template. So once you get to this page, just press customize this template. And now that you're able to customize the template, it should, come on, get the loading. I'm sorry, it takes a minute. Now, once you've gotten to the slides for it, you have many customizations that you can do. You can replace the text box with your own information by clicking directly on the text box. You could take off words. You could put study. Just anything that you want to put down, of course. You can also change the font size, font style, colors. All these options are actually on the left side. You got the text, and you have text color right here. So you got purple, and you can type in, as you see, it changes the color. If you want to change the font, you can just, highlight it, and then the fonts will be right here on the left corner side, right next to the font size. So you can change this font. The fonts options will be on the left side. You can pick whatever one that you're interested in using. You can use tan headline, for example. Actually, let's use Big O Wood. That's a lot smaller. And if you want to change the size, you can just go to decrease font size, and it will change the font size and make it smaller, or you can increase the font size and make the words bigger. You have many options of what you can do on your pages. Of course, you have a plethora of options. Canva literally gives you so many different things that you can use, so many different tools. Like if you want to add lines, if you want to take off text, pretty much can do whatever you want to do with it. The possibilities on here are endless. And another thing I want to add too is that if you want to add a page, you just go down here on this right corner side and click add page, so that way you can add an extra slide, and then from here you can just customize it however you want to do. Now, once you're done, creating your slides, editing your slides, once you're done with all that, now what you want to do is you want to go to share. And then at the bottom, there should be a download button. But before you download, always make sure to review your slides. Make sure that everything is aligned. Make sure your words, your text, your font is good. Make sure that everything is in order for what you need, because the last thing you want to do is download download slides, and one of your texts are off, one of your words are off, and then you're doing a presentation, and next thing you know, whoever you work for, or if you're a student, or if you're a professional, or if you're an educator, last thing you want is to have words juggled up or messed up, or your presentation messed up because you forgot to review before you download it. So just giving you a heads up on that. But what you want to do is you want to download, and then once you click download, do PDF standard. Now you can do PDF print if you want to, but for this video, for this tutorial, we're just going to do PDF standard. And then pages 1 to 12, you're going to click done. And then if you want to save the download, you can for your preferences, but for this tutorial, we're just going to download. So you're going to click download. It's going to load, and then from there you go. Now you have a PDF for your Canva presentation. Now, once you're finished with everything, I just want to say, for any technical difficulties, if you experience any issues during this process, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. That is all. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create and export professional presentation in Canva. By following these steps, you can create an organized, visually appealing presentation for academic, professional, and personal use. Have a great day.